Hey, this is welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? Today's episode, we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a nail clipper or nail filer. If you can see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and for the one that we got right here, it comes with this very nice little case. So I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. So if you see inside, they do probably guys two of them, one big and one small. Let me actually take out both of them to show you guys what it looks like. So right here, we do have the small one. If you guys can see right here, they do have the non-slip material. So that way when you guys actually grip it, it won't slip off as easy. And on the product, you can see we do have the brand logo. Back part right here, we do have a little slot for you to hang it somewhere or put it on the keychain if you guys want to. And when you guys open it, here is basically what the inside looks like. So for the small one right here, they don't have the built-in filer option, but the big one does. And I'll show you guys what it looks like in a second. But when you guys turn around, here's what the product looks like once you guys do set up. So if you guys start clipping stuff, it should work. So this is what the small one looks like. Now let me show you the big one. So right here, we do have the big one. We do have the brand logo in the front. Non-slip material right here, like I mentioned. That part, we also have the little hole for you to put it on a keychain if you guys want to. If you guys open up, if you can see for the big one, we do have the nail filer option right here. So that way, once you guys finish cutting nail, you can definitely use the option to file your nails. And when you guys turn it around, here is basically what the product looks like. So when you guys do use it, it is pretty sharp. So you definitely want to be careful when you guys do use it and try not to hurt yourself. But here is basically what both of them looks like when you guys do set it up and take it out. So for this test, I'm going to use a small one to cut it, and then we'll use a big one to file my nails or whatever. Alright, so it definitely does work. It cut my nail. So what we're doing now is use the filer option to file it. Alright, so that should be good. And basically want to do the same thing for all your nails if you guys want to. But definitely really cool how they do have the built-in filer option, so that way you guys don't have to carry something separately if you guys don't want to. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality portable nail clipper, nail filer. They give you guys a small and big option and also have the built-in filer option as well. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.